How much food waste should you feed your worm bin? This is something we're gonna look at now. I'm gonna be feeding them food waste from our kitchen that's in this bucket. This is like eggshells, coffee bags. I'm just gonna go get a tool to get out the food waste. Look at that pumpkin plant, it's growing right out of this big worm bin. So what I do is I usually split my worm bin in 3 parts. So this is also if you want to manage your own worm bin, this is something that works well for me. This part is manure. Here I usually have cardboard, which they've already processed. And here is where I put the food waste, which we're going to do today, so you get an idea how much I add. I'm gonna use my hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So this is where the quantity I usually share with the worms. This should be good. So the rest goes spread out to the other worms. That's why one worm bin is not ideal for feeding large amount of food waste. You might need more worm bins like this if you want to process a lot of food waste. And I'm gonna spread out 1 week of food waste amongst these bins. Why? It also avoids hot composting, and the worms don't need to be fed too much at once. I hope this gives you an idea if you're planning to do your own worm bin, or if you're already managing one, that it's not necessary to feed them too much. Also, it helps you to increase your worm population faster if you don't feed them too much.